Happy sunshine, everyone.
Good morning.
Happy sunshine, ma'am. And happy sunshine, everybody.
Happy sunshine,
Happy sunshine, everyone. With a mixture of little bit monsoon days, right? Everyone, use the chat box, please, for replying. And here I am. Learners, today's class. For today's class, all of you are ready? All of you are ready for today's class? Please use the chat box, bacha. Okay, Bhavika is absolutely ready. Well done, Bhavika. Yes. Good morning, Atharva. Mahil is also ready. Okay. All right, everyone. As you can see on the board, there are so many things today, right? Let's discuss first the day. Today's day is Thursday. Date is 5th of August. And subject is English. And today's thought of the day is, only you should change your life. No one else or no one will do it for you. Right? What are the today's topic? Today's topic is, we are doing unit number 4. And unit number 4 is which unit? The animal adventure. Can you see this
adventure.
image? Everyone, can you see this? Elephant. And the elephant artist. Right? We are going to do chapter number 4. Reading, pre-reading, understanding of the chapter named The Elephant Artist. Alright, and what are the skills you can achieve? The skills which you can achieve from today's topic is reading and interpretation. Reading means आपको reading skills अच्छे से आ जाएगी. Along with that, you would also be able to know the meaning of that content, right? So reading and interpretation is the skills for today's topic. Am I clear to everyone? Am I clear to everybody? Okay, well done. Now one of you turn on your camera. Any one of you, please turn on your camera. And open your textbook. And answer my few questions. And answer my few questions. And the questions are, what trick can elephant do? What are the tricks an elephant can do? Come on. Write it down in the chat box. Elephant कौन-कौन सी trick कर सकता है? Vinny, we had started the class. If we are learning, reading, we have to write also. So no need to ask the question, we have to write anything. Alright? Now learners, please tell me, what are the tricks an elephant can do? Elephant can paint. Very good. It is linked with our chapter. What else an elephant can do? उसके अलावा elephant क्या कर सकता है? What else an elephant can do? What else an elephant can do? Come on. Please tell me. Socho. Think about it. What else? Yes, Achyut. Very good. It can suck the water. It can. Okay, Naksh. Painting. What else other than painting? Painting, so it is given in your chapter. Okay. Elephant can find her food. Its food. Elephant can find its food. Yes, it is heavy. Yes. Okay. What else can elephant do? suck water. Okay. What other? Yes, Samarth. Yes, can do circus. Very good. Can do adventures in circus. Very good. Now drawing. Very good, Bhavika. Okay, Binni. Painting. Very good. What else other than painting and drawing? पेंटिंग और ड्राइंग को छोड़ के और क्या कर सकता है एलिफेंट? व्हाट अदर थिंग्स एन एलिफेंट कैन डू?
मैम गणेशा।
बेटा आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग कि वो किससे जुड़े हुए हैं, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एलिफेंट क्या कर सकता है. What are the tricks he can do? What are the adventures he can do? I'm talking about that thing. Like he can eat sugar cane, right? And what else? I want answers from your side, everyone. What else he can do? He can even dance on drums, big drums. Okay, very good. Atharva, break branches from his trunk. Okay. Yes, very good, Man Kotia. Very good, Kiona. Helping, but क्या बेटा किस तरीके की हेल्प करता है एलिफेंट? to load the things, right? No, Mahil. Elephant never kills anyone. जब तक के एलिफेंट को परेशान, इवन कोई भी एनिमल को जब तक के परेशान नहीं किया जाता वो हार्म नहीं करते हमें, जब तक के हम उन्हें परेशान ना करें. इफ वी hurt them or we tease with them, at that time they show their reaction, right? Now, do you know any other animal that can be trained to do different tricks? Do you know any other animal that can do different tricks apart from
Dog.
elephant? Okay, very good. Use the chat box, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Atharva, elephant can also take us for a ride. Very good. Cat, very good. What are the tricks cat can do? What are the tricks lion can do? What are the tricks a cat can do? What are the tricks lion can do? If you're writing the animal name, you also need to write it down the trick, what they can do. It is our free reading activity, but when you are writing it in the chat box, you are also improving your writing skills, your spelling skills. You are achieving your spelling skills as well, and I am there to rectify if you make any error. Very
Tiger
good.
can jump.
Cat lap up, milk and
circle.
water. Very good. जय, आपको चैट बॉक्स में लिखना है बेटा. Tiger is our national animal. He can do different tricks. All right. Bird can fly. Yes, very good. How bird can fly? That is a natural thing, right? But how they are trained? उनको ट्रेनिंग किस चीज की मिलती है? Horse can run, can ride on it. We can ride on horse. Very good, Jaina. Yes, Samar. Yes, lion can do jump from a fire circle ring, right? In circus, we have saw in so many cartoons. We have saw in so many cartoons and even in movies that while the circus is going on, the elephants play the drums, right? And the lion go from a fire ring. Inside the fire ring he jumps, right? Yes, मैं इसी ट्रिक्स के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. How they are trained to do different tricks. How they are trained to do different activities, to do different adventures, right? Help करते हैं, that is okay. But उनको ट्रेनिंग किस चीज की मिलती है? That I am asking to you all. Yes, बेटा. Ring. Yes, very good. Even we have saw bull show, right? Bull show. Bull show में if bull has been shown a red cloth, he runs, and when the red cloth, we move the red cloth from there. If we move the red cloth from there, वो अपना head जाके उस पे लगाती है, right? Bull show. Even we have seen a bull show, right? In television, in our cartoons also we have seen it. Yes, Achal. And they ride. Yes, exactly. Now, bird fly. Okay, Naksh, that is not a training, right? वो training नहीं हुई बेटा Naksh. Bird fly in the sky, that is not a training. वो करेंगे ही bird fly, but उनको training किस चीज की मिलती है? Like parrots are trained for speaking, right? Parrots हमारी तरह बोल सकते हैं. Cattu can even speak like us. They trained, उनको training मिलती है. So in this chapter we are learning about an elephant named Ruby. In this chapter we are going to learn about an elephant named Ruby, who is very famous and who is trained to do the painting, right? Because she was interested in painting. Am I clear? Are you all ready to read the interesting chapter? Are you all ready to read the interesting chapter? Let's start then. The very first one, page number 54, reading part. Let's read about the elephant who was an artist like human being. Let us read about an elephant who was an artist just like us, just like humans. So are you all ready? Let's get going then. Did you know that elephant can paint? Did you know that elephant can paint? No, I will tell you. Here is the story of Ruby, an elephant who can paint. Anyone, please turn on your camera. Ruby was a famous elephant. Ruby was the famous elephant who lived at the Phoenix Zoo. कहाँ रहती थी वो? Phoenix Zoo. She was famous for her painting. She was born in Thailand and transported to the Phoenix Zoo. She was born in Thailand and she was transported, means उसको from Thailand to Phoenix Zoo in United States लाया गया था, right? Then, when she was about 7 months old, she was 7 months old when she was transported from Thailand to Phoenix Zoo of United States. It is US. Now, one of you, please turn on your camera, otherwise my screen would go off. After that, Ruby was only elephant at the zoo. Ruby was the only elephant at the zoo. She lived with chicken and goat over there. Few chickens were there and one goat was there, as you can see in the picture. Then Ruby felt very lonely because there was no other elephant with her जिसके साथ वो time spend कर सके, right? So to give her a company, one day her keeper is the person जो देखभाल करते हैं animals की, right? Zoo में keeper is the person who take care of the animals, right? So here one day her keeper saw her briskly. Briskly means जल्दी से देखना, quickly, right? Briskly scratching the dirt with a stick. He was briskly scratching the dirt. Quickly he was scratching the dirt with a stick, right? With a stick. So they decided to give Ruby, the elephant, a brush and some paint. Now you might be amazed to know that जो रूबी थी, she was trained, right? Soon a trainer started training Ruby and she became a painter. Now Ruby choose her own color. वो अपना खुद के colors choose करती थी and the manner in which she wanted to paint. The manner she want to paint, she creates her own way. She does not copy anything, right? She creates her own way. She creates her own manner of painting and she choose her own paint, right? She creates many paintings. Soon Ruby become very famous. Ruby, people from across the world came to see Ruby. पूरे वर्ल्ड के लोग एलिफेंट नेम रूबी हु कैन पेंट उसको देखने के लिए आते थे, राइट? बट व्हाट हैपेंड वन डे, एंड डू यू नो द पेंटिंग which Ruby make is sold for $25,000, right? But unfortunately Ruby died from an infection. उसको एक इन्फेक्शन हुआ था जिससे रूबी की मौत हो जाती है. She was 25 years old when she died. But you might be happy to know that like humans, elephants are also learn painting. But just like humans, they all are not blessed. जैसे हम सबके पास अलग अलग टैलेंट है. Somebody is good at dancing, somebody is good at singing, somebody is good at music playing, है ना? So everyone is having different activities, different interest in different activities. So just like us, not all the animals love painting, but Ruby is one who loves painting and who is interested in painting, right? Now, soon Russian artists Vitaly Komal and Alexander Malamud heard about Ruby. जब उन्होंने देखा, रशियन आर्टिस्ट ने रूबी के बारे में सुना, ठीक है? Who were they? Vitaly and Alexander. They decided to open the first art school for elephants at Thailand, at the Thai Elephant Conservation in Lampang, Thailand. They decided to open school for elephants to train them for doing painting, right? And the school was open for elephants in Thai Elephant Conservation. Conservation का मतलब होता है बचाना. Thai Elephant Conservation in Lampang. Lampang is a place in Thailand. All right. Now everyone loved the idea. सभी को विटली और अलेक्जेंडर का आइडिया बहुत पसंद आया. Elephants were trained to paint at the art school. They are trained to paint at the art school. Their painting soon become famous. The money earned from the sale of those paintings was used for the protection of wild elephants, right? हम वाइल्ड एलिफेंट के प्रोटेक्शन के लिए वो मनी को यूज करते थे. मतलब कैसे हम प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं एलिफेंट को, कौन कौन से कंजर्वेशन और खुलने चाहिए टू प्रोटेक्ट एलिफेंट, ये सारी चीजों के लिए वो मनी का यूज होता था. ऑलराइट. आफ्टर दैट 2 न्यू स्कूल्स फॉर ट्रेनिंग एलिफेंट इन पेंटिंग हैव ओपन सिंस देन. उसके बाद अभी तक 2 और नई स्कूल ओपन की गई जिसमें हम एलिफेंट्स को ट्रेन कर सकते हैं, राइट? 2 और न्यू स्कूल फॉर एलिफेंट ट्रेनिंग फॉर पेंटिंग हैव मेड. नाउ in March 2002, the 2 elephants from India also given the opportunity. Opportunity means to give chance to them to take part in, is known as opportunity, to become artists, right? They also took painting lessons and were given long brushes to paint with. The elephant used to paint every day for 2 hours, right? Informed their trainer Mohammed Safi. Mohammed Safi was the trainer who trained the elephant over there, and their paintings were auctioned. Auction means to put on sale, right? Auction means selling के लिए arrange करके sale करना. That is auction, to put on sale. And the money was used to help the elephant. जिससे जो भी मनी हम अर्न करते थे उस पेंटिंग से, that is used for elephant conservation, elephant protection, for the purpose of elephant, right? So if we see it, one elephant is helping the other elephant in some or other way, directly or indirectly, right? Now learners, this is the real story. It is a real story, not an imaginary story. It is a real story of Ruby, right? Now learners, it's time to take out your notebook. Please take out your notebook. I hope you all love the story and you found it so interesting. Now take out your notebook. I'll be writing the new words here. आपको 2 tasks at a time करने हैं. What are the 2 tasks? Notebook number 1A. Now, what are the 2 tasks you have to do it together? I am writing the new words here. You have to write it down, that new words in your notebook. Also start underlining it in your textbook. Right? Underline भी करते जाना, notebook में लिखते भी जाना. Alright? Come on, let's start.
Ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, हाँ, I'm waiting, don't worry. Turn off your mic. Yes, Atharva?
Your voice is not coming. Your voice is breaking.
Am I now properly audible? Use the chat box and turn off your mic. Am I now properly audible? Use the chat box. Somebody's mic is on. Please turn off the mic. Turn off your mic. Shreya, turn off your mic, beta. Shreya Detroja. Ansh Dharti. I hope now I am audible properly. Use the chat box, please. Don't turn on your mic. If you will turn on your mic, my voice would not be able to come to you properly. Thank you, Naksh. Everyone, take out your notebook. Write it down the heading at the top. Write it down the heading at the top. You have to write only the heading, not this topic. Okay? आपको सिर्फ हेडिंग लिखनी है. कौन सी हेडिंग आप लिखेंगे? सबसे पहले you need to write it down the date, that is 5/8/21, and then day, that is Thursday, and after that you need to write it down unit name, unit number 4. One of you turn on your camera, and then chapter number 4, the elephant artist. Everyone up till here complete your work, and I am giving heading new words. Start writing the new words. New words. One of you, please turn on your camera. Any one of you, please turn on your camera. Thank you, Ansh, and keep it on. Alright, let's start with the first word. The first word is Ruby. R-U-B-Y. Everyone, it is in the first line of the first paragraph. Ruby. Now learners, the second word is elephant. It is just near the ruby. जैसे ही आप ruby में underline करोगे, just in the same line, it is their name, elephant. Now the next word is famous. Just after that, in the next line, I am not going to erase anything, so don't worry. Then it is Phoenix Zoo. In the same line, you are having the last word, that is painting. Then Thailand. We have learned about syllables. Thailand. It has 2 syllables. 2 beat में we are speaking it, right? After that, transported. United States. Lonely. I hope the board is visible properly to everyone. From word number 14, Ishika, please rejoin the class. If you can't see
Ma'am,
the
your
board.
video is not coming.
I hope now my video is coming properly, Dhyay and Ishika.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Please
आपका
turn off
वीडियो
your
नहीं आ
mic.
रहा है, बाकी आ रहा है.
Better turn off your mic. Turn off your mic. If you will turn on your mic, my video would go off. Alright everyone. Now the next one is 14. From word number 14, it is given in page number 55. 14th word में page number 55 में दिया है, that is trainer. After trainer, 15th word is also in page number 55, that is painter. 16th word is manner. 17th word is wanted. 18th word is created. Write it down with me, along with me, okay? 18th is unfortunately. Unfortunately. 4 syllables.
No, video.
Unfortunate, unfortunate, unfortunately, 3 syllables. Beta, turn off your mic. Whose mic is on? Only Ansh will turn on the camera. Rest others, make your camera off. I want Ansh to turn on the camera. Let others turn off the camera. Then 20th one is infection. Whose mic is on?
मैं आपने 15 वाले में ना 2 बार पेंटिंग्स लिखा है.
It is painter.
में भी पेंटिंग की और भी.
It is painter. Manveer Singh Rana. 15th one is painter and 5th one is painting. Now after that, the next word is sure. Don't worry. After infection, human. 22nd word is blessed. 23rd one is talent. I hope the whole board is visible to everyone properly. Use the chat box for replying. 24th one is word is Russian artist. Vittel Komar. Alexander Melmade. Conservation. Lampang. Armed. Protection. Artist. Opportunity. Brushes. We have wrote brush, not brushes. Then 34th one is Muhammad Safi. And the last word is auction. Complete your work. आराम से, don't worry, complete it patiently.
14th word क्या है? 14th word
Trainer, beta trainer. 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 It is not visible.
मैम आपका वीडियो इधर से उधर हो रहा है.
Because आप सबके माइक ऑन हो रहे हैं. If you have any query, use the chat box.
मैम 24 क्या है?
Manveer, please write it down in the chat box. I will reply. 24th is Russian artist. Beta, one of you turn on your camera, otherwise my camera would go off and you won't be able to see it. Any one of the students, turn on your camera please. Meanwhile, I am taking your attendance. Please, can you give me your roll calls also, if you are present? Beta, who's my... We are... Very good. Achyut. Naksh, if you are present, write it down P in the chat box, okay? Naksh, if you are present, write it down P in the chat box. Very good, Mahil. Kiona. Very good, beta, if your work is done. Today's date is 5. Naksh is present. What about Ayan Chandani? Ayan. Rishvi Barasara. Very good. Anni Babadwa. Jay Balodia. Pant Borania. Atharva Chauhan. Atharva Chauhan. Yuspi, very good. Adya Dalsania. Adya Dalsania. Alright, Arni. What about Adya? Ansh Darji. Very good, Ansh. Shreya, did I took your name, beta? Shreya Ditroja. Pallavi Giri. Havya Joshi. Shreya, Pallavi, Havya. Okay, well done. Samar. What about Pallavi? Pallavi and Havya, both are present. Well done. Dhyani and Vinny. Dhyani and Vinny. Very good. Ansh Kothia, Man Kothia. Samarth and Achyut. Brincy and Kiona. Brincy and Kiona. Manveer and Ishika. Amrita, Bhavika. Very good. Use the chat box. No need to turn on the mic. What about Reshma Tadiona? Mic is on. Whose mic is on? Please turn off your mic, everyone. Otherwise, I will report you. And after that, Jainam and Dhyay and Mahil Gajjar. Jainam, Dhyay and Mahil. Very good. Very good, everyone. Now please open your textbook Page number 56. Everyone open your textbook, page 56. 5, 6, 56. Understanding exercise, true and false.
मैम मेरा बाकी है.
बेटा पहले ट्रू फॉल्स कर लीजिए मानवीर.
Okay.
Now listen and listen to me everyone. First one. Ruby was a Russian gorilla that lives at the Phoenix Zoo. No, write it down false over there. Everyone, in the first blank, you need to write it down false. Come to the second question. Ruby was born in Thailand. Yes, she was born in Thailand. Let's write it down true in the second blank. And the third one. Third one is, one day the keeper saw her painting in the dirt with a brush. Can anyone do painting in the dirt? No. So we would be writing false in the third one. Everyone, please write false because she was scratching the dirt with a stick, right? And after that, at the age of 50, she died from an infection. No, at the age of 25, she died from an infection. So we would be writing false in the fourth one. Everyone write it down false in fourth one. 2 elephants from India were also given the opportunity to become artists. Yes, let's write it down true over there. So the first blank is false. Second blank is true. Third one is false. Fourth one is again false. And fifth one is true. The sequence is like this. False, true, false, false, true. Yes. Learners, I'll be sending the PDF of question answer, which is your homework. आपको question answers में टिक कर लीजिए. Write it down homework. Question answers is your homework. I'll be sharing the PDF of question answers. You have to write it down in your notebook number 1A. Alright? 1A notebook में आपको लिखना है question answers. That is your homework for today. And we would be discussing the homework tomorrow. Once you would be writing the question answers. If you face any trouble in that, you can ask me and I'm going to discuss it tomorrow. Am I clear to everyone? Third day, am I clear to everyone? Take a snapshot everybody, or else I'm going to share the PDF. You need not have to worry. I'm going to share the new words, word meaning and question answers. You have to write it down, new words, word meaning, question answers in notebook. हमने new words already लिख लिए, word meaning सिर्फ 3 है, question answers are only 4. So it means 3 word meaning, 4 question answers. You need to write it down in your 1A number notebook. Am I clear to everyone?
Yeah,
Am I clear to everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Shall we end the class here?
Yeah.
Shall we end the class here? Okay, so let's end English class here. See you all tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Beautiful
Thank
smile.
you, ma'am.
Everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Say
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Nice
Thank
to
you,
you
ma'am.
all.
Okay.
Welcome and have a nice day, everybody. Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.